Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku in the edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday, April the 16th, 2024. I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 Stars Sudoku, so 3 puzzles are left. The binary, the Jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested, the 4 Stars Sudoku. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know, we'll see. But this will be definitely 8372. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 24 printed digits already counted. Definitely 4 stars. 4 stars puzzle has always 24 printed digits. For a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars? We will see. So let's get started. Alright. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 ones. Alright. We have here 1, 2, 3 2s, 2 3s, no 4s, 4 5s. Alright. 1, 2 6s, 2 7s, 3 8s, and 3 9s. So the 1s and the 5s are in majority. Can I start with 1? Yes, 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there, 1 in the row above, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1. I should be there. Well, 1 1. Yeah. 6 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 3. Oh, wait. We have 2 missing. Yeah, 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1 and a 2. We have a 1 and a 2 in this column, so no 1 and a 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 and a 2 in the first row, so no 1 and a 2 in those 2 boxes. The 1 and a 2 in this big square goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Alright. Then let me see. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. Oh wait, we have a 1 and a 2 in the first column. We have a 1 and a 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in the middle row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 1 1. I need a 2 here. Alright, and now 7. Then. Well, in this column, we need a 5. Second column. These 3 boxes can be 5. We have 5 in this big square. So no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, here, or there. Here, or there. We see another 5 in this row, no 5 there. We see another 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. Only place left 5 should be there. Alright. 8 in this column, third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 in that row, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. Alright. Then I need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Okay. How about? Yeah. Let me think. I need a 9 in the third column. Yeah. We have 3 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 4, 7, 9. 4, 7, 9, 4, 7, 9, 4, 7, 9. And look with 7 and a 9 in the last row. So no 7 and 9 in this box. 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in the third column for the number 4. Alright, 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be here, 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Well. 7. Need 7 there. I cannot continue with the 7 now. I need to wait. Okay, and now. How about 2, 2, 2? In this big square, we have 5 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should we add 2 in this row, last row, 2 in that row. So the row between the only place left for the 2 should be there. No, need a 2 here. Cannot continue with the no, not true. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. We have a 2 in that column, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. Alright, 8, 8, 8, 8. Then, need a 9 here. Alright, need a 9 there, okay, and now, no 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 4 missing numbers in this big square, one of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in this box, so the 9 could be here, here, or there. So we have a 9 in one of these 3 boxes in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. I believe we have a pair. Anyway, 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for 2 should be there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes at there. So, and now 1, 1. 2 the missing numbers in the middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. Cannot feel this yet. Let me mark. Oh, we have a 4 in the last row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between the only place left 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. We have 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. Need a 3 here, alright. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. And we have a pair. The 7 in one of those 2 boxes, and a 9 in the third row. We have a 7 and a 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So 2 numbers left in. No. We have a 7 and a 9 here. Need a 3 here. And how about the 4? Need a 4 there. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Alright. How about 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 5 should be there, and I've eliminated here the 7. So the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next, on the last column. Only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Need a 7 here. Okay. Then. Yeah. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row, so the row between. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 and 8. We have 8 now. We have a 5 now in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in the last row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for the other 1. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. 3 and a 6. We have 3 in the last column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there, so 1 digit left in the last column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Yeah, I need a 4 here. I need a 3 here. And I need a 9 here, okay. I'm thinking. 4, 6, and need an 8 here. Yeah, we need an 8 in the second row. Here can be an 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. So the 8 in the second row could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in the second row for numbers 4 and 6. 4 and 6. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4 and the 6. We have a 4 now, so this box should be a 6 then. Need a 6 here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4. It goes there. Right. 4, 4. And I need a 3. 4 and 3. 9 and the, no, 8 and the 6. Yeah. 2 missing numbers now in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7. 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here. Alright. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in this box. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in that box. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 7 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And the 4 in this row, the 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Wow! Again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Let me give this again a 0 stars because I'm faster than 13 minutes. So well pleased with the time, and I like this one. So we do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.